Hello, today I'm playing Assassin's Creed Mirage. In this video I'll show you how to infiltrate a palace. Actually, I'm playing the first mission in the prologue. So right now we've got two options to infiltrate the palace. We can follow Nihal or look for another entrance. For now, as it is tutorial, let's follow the Nihal and we'll see our first entrance. Of course we have to hide because there are many soldiers around us. We can also use Eagle Eye to check for their position and for our possible hideouts. As you can see, soldiers are there, so let's sneak at the bottom of this balcony.
Move it or I will leave you behind. What's this then?
Remember to always use the Eagle Eye, because it helps us to find hidden chests and enemies. For example, one hidden chest is right here. Here is the hideout. We can hide from enemies right there. Remember that soldiers are visible only for a while after we leave the
Good.
Eagle mode.
This door may lead us inside.
Not without the key.
Have a look around.
Now we have to find a key for this door. I suppose this will be a constant function in this game. And there's a soldier with the key. We are going to sneak around him and lure him to the bush, so we'll able to kill him and steal the key. So now let's press X, and now when he is lured, he'll come to us, and now we'll have to knock him out. Okay,
It is better this way.
now we have to take the key, and now we can infiltrate the palace.
Any luck finding a key?
Let's use the key to unlock these doors.
The Khalifa appears unsettled. An unruly son is not helping matters.
The young man is eager. It's his first time in the palace, is it not?
Let's skip it.
Through there. The Khalifa awaits.
They have arrived, Mawlay.
Out, all of you. I am.
Father, let me stay.
Take him.
Looks heavy. We'll never get it out of the palace.
Then I will just have to take what is inside.
Gentlemen, well, I understand this means a great deal to you. Rest assured, it will be well protected here.
We will accept nothing less. We will carry out our work and return to you when we are ready.
Might I say it once? If we are to guard this with our lives, we should know.
You saw nothing of this. You say nothing.
Yes, of course.
Now is our chance.
And now remember, Basim in this game, in the beginning is thief. So we have to act as a thief. We have to be
I
silent.
never thought I'd set foot in here. Just look at
We have
the
to steal
arches.
and we
You could
can't
chisel off a
draw
piece and
attention
sell it for
to
a hoard
us.
of gold. You didn't happen to break.
All right, Basim. Open, snatch, run.
Basim, hurry! Basim!
And these are the basics of infiltrating the palace. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.